So we basically want to do a restoration of the tree of what it looked like when the Martins were here and when they decorated it. So we put it in the same spot, of course, and then we use some of the same things. Like this is a gift wrapped in a blanket. We had to do a gift wrapped in a blanket. So here's our blanket from the gift shop, actually in a Lloyd Wright design that we wrapped some of the gifts in. But we also wrapped all the gifts authentically, just as they would have been in here. So we used different types of paper and different types of ribbon. And this is a large hand-blown glass ornament, and more Victorian looking. Since the picture is black and white, we just chose to have more subdued white. There's a little bit of color in some of them. So the Victorian character, some with design, some without, some actually with themes in them of nature. Darwin and Isabel would have loved that. So especially, you know, in some of these they have birds. This one has a nature theme and a bird inside of it. And some of the other ones actually have carving of a little bird inside of them. But it's all in the theme of what the picture looks like, but also what Darwin and Isabel, it captures the essence of what they, how they, what each are related with nature and how they would have decorated the tree.